Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to control storage usage and video quality when downloading content, Prime Video lets you adjust the download quality settings so you can balance clarity versus space. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to change download quality on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that it works on mobile like iOS and Android. It affects future downloads, not existing ones. Multiple quality options available. So quality settings or quality setting applies to new downloads only. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Video, like the app, like launch the Prime Video application. Make sure you are signed in. You have to be ready to adjust settings. Okay, so go to settings. Okay, tap profile or my stuff, open settings. Yeah, so access app preferences, so find download settings. So you have here many options like streaming and downloading, okay, casting. So I think the first one is the most important one in our tutorial. So look for download quality here. So as you can see, we have streaming quality, stream on Wi-Fi only, okay, notify me when using mobile data, and then we have manage the downloads by device. So tap download quality good, this one, okay. So as you can see here, we have three options, okay. So choose quality level, like options usually include best, better, good, okay. So select what fits your needs and apply changes. So settings are saved automatically, no confirmations or confirmation needed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.